Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today we are here at the Pop Century Resort, and I'm going to give you a tour of one of the regular standard rooms. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. So we're walking into our room here at Pop Century, and as you can tell, it's not a very big room, but it's a decent size. Instead of two beds, it only has the one queen size bed there, and then it looks like this one is a pull down bed, which we'll check out here in a minute. But it also has, you know, a nice little table here with two chairs and little end tables. And what I like too is there are tons of plugs and USB ports, which is very, very important these days. You gotta plug in your phones, your watches, your cameras, all the things. And there's one on each side, and then there's one on the other side of this bed as well. And we have a nice little dresser area with a huge flat screen TV there. We'll spin around here just a little bit, and we have a nice area to put some maybe food. You have your ice bucket. And I like how they have all the cups, disposable cups, wrapped up, so you know those are nice and clean. Again, some more plugs over here, and a coffee maker, and then a fridge down here. So the drawer pulled out here, and we have some coffee and tea, and some sugar and cream for the coffee, so that's good. And also I love how when they have all the pillows here, so you can have some pillows for this bed as well. But I love the Mickey picture back there, very cool. Love that. And then there's light switches on each side for your bedside lighting. And again, some more plugs and USB on this side with the phone. And some more on this side as well. So you have hashtag all the plugs. So we open this up, and there is your safe to put some valuables in while you're gone at the parks. Looks like another pillow down there, which is awesome. They also have your remote control all wrapped up here, so it looks like it's been sanitized. I bet they replace this each time there's a new guest. And then they also tell you about their enhanced cleaning measures, which I love. A lot of different things that they are doing to keep everybody safe and healthy. And then there's even more plugs and USB ports here on the dresser. And there's a nice little area to hang some clothes or different things, maybe your hat. And there's an area to put some suitcases over here. Also, I want to note that the bed is fairly high. It's very high actually. And you can put your suitcases under the bed as well. And then this is leading into the bathroom, but it's very nice. They have a nice door here. So if somebody's in there getting ready, somebody's sleeping, you can shut the door, and it's quieter, and it's shutting on its own. Man, it's heavy. Okay. There we go. And so yeah, so now you have your vanity here, and a nice storage area for all your toiletry items. Of course, a nice big mirror to get ready for the park. Turn around this way, and you have some hangers to hang up your clothes and some more storage. Also an ironing board if you need to iron anything. And then we'll turn around this way, and here's the bathroom. So we have the toilet and the shower in the same room, and this one also has another door so that somebody can be brushing teeth or getting ready while somebody's in the bathroom or in the shower. And now all of the toiletries are, you don't get to take them home with you, but they do have a little thing that says cleaned on them. So it looks like they've all been cleaned. And they are still shareable, which I thought maybe they would switch that back, but they didn't. So yeah, decent sized shower here. All right, we're gonna head back out and let's see if Mom and Dad wanna pull down the, well, yeah, move the chairs, definitely do that, good job. And maybe pull down the bed and we'll see what it looks like. I think you just pull it.
Okay.
Yep. You got it, good job. Oh, how cute! Little Pluto back there sleeping, dreaming of his bones. And it's a decent sized bed. Look, it's I think it's even longer than, well, because it doesn't go all back all the way.
I'd say there's this thing.
But yeah, very nice. I think it's a queen size as well. And it has the blankets and the sheets already on the bed. And yeah, this is very nice.
Yeah.
Not a ton of room in between the beds, but decent. That's enough. And I just love that little Pluto. Look how cute he is. Off in dreamland. So the room that we got to tour is in building 10 in the 70s section. They've got the foosball and the big wheel over there and a Mickey phone. Let's go check them out. So we've got the giant foosball here in the middle. The giant Mickey phone over here. And the giant big wheel leading up to the building that our room's in. So right behind this 8-track is where the stairs are to go up to the upper levels. So each of the rooms have something different. This one's an 8-track. There's a yo-yo. Lots of really cool things here at the Pop Century. Alright guys, well that is it from Pop Century. I hope you enjoyed checking out the room here at Pop Century. It was really fun to go back in and see how they've redone the room since we've been here. It's been, you know, since I was younger that we've been here to stay in one of the Pop Century rooms. So let us know if you've stayed here before. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also, Victor Naraki, he is a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/Naraki Realtor. Make sure you tell him Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.